Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the TRANSNOVO docking station for the Nintendo Switch and Nintendo Switch 2. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, I do want to let you know that we do make a small commission when you do click on our links and make a purchase. So definitely click on those links, make a purchase. It definitely helps us out. So again, this is a TRANSNOVO docking station for the Nintendo Switch and the Nintendo Switch 2. So inside you get your user manual, tells you how to set it up and connect it. And here it is. No cables are included. Here's a USB-C port that connects to the bottom of the Switch. TRANSNOVO branding. On the side you have your USB-A. 4 rubber feet. Another USB-A port. And the button on top is to turn on and off the on-screen mirroring. And on the back you have your USB-C port, HDMI, and another USB-A. So let's go ahead and get this connected. So here's the setup. I have my Arzopa 16-inch 144Hz monitor plugged into a power delivery. I have a cable coming to the monitor to power it, along with a mini HDMI to full-size HDMI into the dock. And here I have another USB-C cable. I'm going to connect it to the back of the dock, the TRANSNOVO dock. And here you have a green LED. There is a slight hum to it. That's because it's the fan that's blowing air to the bottom of your Switch. And here I have my Nintendo Switch 2, and I do have a case on here just to show you that this does work with a case as well. And before I start, just want to show you which version of the system I have. And as you can see here, 21.2.0. So as of this video, I'm running 21.2.0. Just go back home, and I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in with the case on. So if it fits with the case, it will fit with just the console only. Case is on, and as you can see, it's powering up. You can go ahead and everything works perfectly fine. Switch 2 is docked with the case, playing on my portable monitor, or you can connect this to your TV. So as you can see, everything works. And once I'm done, I can just simply take it off and back to playing handheld again if I wanted to. So with these USB ports, you can plug in charging cables or anything like that to charge while you're playing as well. They said that you can also screen mirror your iPad, MacBook, or iPhone onto an external display, whether it's portable or a TV monitor. So let's go ahead and try. So here is my iPad Pro M1 11-inch. Just going to connect the dock to the iPad. It's charging, and as you can see, external display. And as you can see here, I can go ahead and screen mirror what I'm doing. So that's the TRANSNOVO Nintendo Switch 2 dock, and it works with the MacBook, iPad, and iPhone. It's not so sturdy when it comes to connecting to here, only because of so much space. But if you have USB-C female that can connect to here to an external, to a male USB-C that would connect to the bottom of your device or to your device, that would work a lot better. You can just leave this and have the extension cable come out and plug into whatever device you have. Obviously, you can't connect this to your MacBook, so you'll need that cable. Till next time, see ya.